Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101 and my happy mails here. This took forever. So I have a few things. I have Mojo Jojo plans, I have Calva plan, and I have the winter release from the Happy Planner. So we're gonna go through all of these together. I hope you're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and open Mojo Jojo plans first. Her envelopes are just so gorgeous. So here we go. This is the Mojo Jojo colorful shapes. I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you. I will do a full flip through in just 1 second. Let me get rid of that envelope. Let's open up the second one. And I have, these are from Calva Plan. These are the monthly florals by Calva Plan. And I did put a sticky note on my address. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from the Happy Planner. I can't wait. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this because I sure do. And if you do, give it a thumbs up. I really would love to see that you guys enjoy this. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate. So I only got a few sticker books. I have 4 sticker books and a few planners. So I have the Align Classic, and then the Big, and then the Brights, and one different one. And I got 3 planners. So all of these are 12-month undated planners, and the reason I chose to get those is because well, they're undated, so I can use them anytime. But let me go ahead and show you the Mojo Jojo plans rainbow shapes first. So we have circles, we have bigger circles, and you get 2 pages of each, it looks like. And then you get those huge circles that I really like. So this, you get 4 pages of these large ones. And then you have lined circles, which is kind of fun. Then we have hexagons. I love functional planning and combine it with like a fun non-functional one. It's so much fun. And then more hexagons, so same thing, lined. These are really beautiful. And then we have diamonds and half circles, and then these flower patterns, which are so fun, or a cloud, I'm not sure what I call them, flowers. And then you have hearts, and then that's it. That's the whole Mojo Jojo rainbow shapes. I only got one. I usually get more than one from her, but I only got one this time. And then monthly florals from Calva Plan. I got 2 of those because I actually decorate every single month. So these are kind of fun because the corners are pre-made, and so are these. So it's truly for your monthly, and you get days of the week and some washi and monthly habit tracker fun, some florals, and then it looks like each kit is 4 pages. Yeah, it looks like it's 4 pages. And then there's this pink, green, purple one. Perfect. It's really lovely with these florals. And then yellow and navy blue. I love that combination. That color combo is my favorite. Then we have pink, peach, and teal. Those are also kind of fun with these really beautiful pink flowers. Oh, that's different, right? And then you have purple, teal, and pink. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, each kit is 4 pages for your monthly. Okay, and then you have 2 more pages of months, and there's big lettering and small lettering in every color, which is awesome because if you date or if you have an undated planner, then that would be awesome. Okay, next up is the one and only. I ordered this planner, you guys, because oh my gosh, right? So this is a monthly layout. Monthly layouts are so hard to find. This year they only had one outside of this one, and I use it for my budget, and it works really well. I love it, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do when they run out or don't make those anymore. It seems like they're phasing out those less popular ones. So this is a monthly undated. So I already bought this just in case, and it is a homebody, and look how pretty it is. So it doesn't have the perpetual calendar or anything, but it has a note page, and then it goes right into a month like this, and it's undated, and then you have the check it off, monthly goals jotted down, and then you have the daily tasks, which I use for spending, and then you have two pages of notes, which I use for budgeting, and then the next month is the same, and it's so neutral, it's just black and white and gray. Look at this divider, oh my lord. And this one, whoa, I love this one. And this one, I mean, homebody is just so beautiful. Look at these, aren't they awesome? Gorgeous. Okay, so there's that. That's the monthly layout, and I really love it. That's the back cover. It's just absolutely stunning. So that's gonna sit and wait for me to use it when I'm ready. It's undated, so yep, I'm kind of hoarding stuff. And I'm finally in my planner space, and my planner space is practically done. So I now know how much room I have to really collect stuff, or aka hoard stuff, right? Okay, next up is this little beauty, which is a dashboard layout, and it's very neutral, and it is that align planner line, so it's very neutral. So we have January and February and so on monthly tabs on both of these, and let's see what this one looks like. So you open it and you get that note page, empty monthly, and then a really neutral dashboard layout. Whoa, I love it. I really love it. I hate colored dashboards because I'm so limited, and this one's undated, so it's perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip through the dividers. This reminds me so much of the black and white planner. I'm so glad that they're venturing into more neutrals and kind of grown up colors, especially when I use things for work and stuff, and in general for decorating, because it's really really easier to decorate something that's already neutral than it is to cover up colors, right? So that's the other planner I have. I have one more, so I want to give it a try to an actual budget planner from the Happy Planner. I've bought budget planners before, but mostly for you guys as a giveaway, never for myself, and they were pretty colorful, and when it comes to budget, I don't like any color. I want to stay pretty factual and know where my money's going. So this is the first one where it seemed quite neutral without too many colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go, and if not, I can always come back to my monthly. So let's cut this open and let's take a look. So again, same thing, it comes with monthly tabs, it comes with the hello page. You open to the same monthly page, and then you have, so that's kind of cool because it already breaks it down for you. So it's food, personal, entertainment, medical, transportation, utilities, and housing. And then you have savings tracker, accounts, and that's pretty good. And then you have weekly expense reports. Interesting. That's cool. And then you have check it off list, and then it goes into the same thing on the following month, and it is very neutral. So let's go through the tabs. There's magic and saving, big money sign, know your worth, save today, spend tomorrow. Yeah, I really enjoy neutrals, as you can tell. But my spreads are actually pretty colorful, so I don't know where that stems from, but that's where I am. So that's my budget planner, and I love it. For right now, I'm using my monthly, but like I said, I will give it a go. This is the Align sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through this and show you what these stickers look like. Hustle and heart, to do, very important. So again, it gives me very like sandy, nude, darker tones with navy blues, which I really like. And it very much reminds me of the minimalist sticker book. As far as the shapes and what stickers are included. Yep, I mean, look at these half circles, those are cool. I like it. And then you have gold ones. And then you have these pretty different stickers, right? All about balance. And they're very geometrical. They're not very decorative, but they have a lot of geometry in them. And they're muted and toned down, which I really like. Oh, look at these. Look at those. Yeah, I really like this book, I can already tell you that. And then we have the alphabet. So that's Align in the classic size of the value sticker book. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip through the Align big one. I don't know what those are called, but they have like a weird shape to them. But those are very much the same stickers, just different sizes of them. Much larger, huge scale. So these are kind of fun. Look at them. Oh, so cool. Yep. Falling possibility. Today goals will be crushed. Yeah. Okay, be bold. Yeah, I really like the whole play on geometry here. I think that's done very well and tasteful, and I enjoy stickers like this. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below what you think about this particular sticker book, because it is pretty different and unique. Think, dream, plan. Always believe that you can. And that's it. So that's the Align large sticker book. And I have only 2 more sticker books to go, not as Usually I have a lot more for you guys, but today that's it. So I have the bright type. I bought it mostly for the dark squiggly writing. I really like it. Yeah, do what you love. Enjoy every day. Look on the bright side. It has lots and lots of quotes, which I enjoy. So I thought this might be a good book to give it a try. Look at that. And I really do like the bigger things in these books, because it does, like, when you have a less of a busy week, this will fill up your planner for sure. So these are fun to have. So that was the bright side, and then one more, let your heart wander. And I am in love with this book, you guys. Look at this. When I saw this, I watched the release from the Happy Planner, and I knew I needed this book. It's completely right up my alley. The colors are there because of the blues and greens, and very much what I choose to use in my planner, and I really couldn't wait to get my hands on this. But look how beautiful. How many of you got this book as well, and also thinks that it's extremely gorgeous like I do? Leave me a comment down below. I'm really curious to see what all of you think. So we have some habit trackers, these little strips that I actually use quite often. There's a mood one, there's more washi strips. Look how gorgeous. And then solid ones, and then look at these. Whoa, right? So cool. And smaller versions of that. And then we have lots of quotes. Those are silver. And some more. And these splatters. I really like this book a lot. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you for another video pretty soon. Thanks for spending some time with me. I truly appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.